Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to show you how to restart your Nest Hello if you happen to have lockups or the Nest Hello becomes unresponsive and you want to restart it. So let's get started. There's three ways that we could do this. So the first way I'm going to show you is probably the easiest way. So you're going to grab your tool that came with your Nest Hello and insert it at the bottom of the base. Now you can use a paper clip or a thumbtack. There's a small little hole at the bottom and you stick it in, you'll hear it click, and then you want to pull this back out, else it won't come off. And then you'll flip it upside down and see this little hole right here, right there. We're going to insert the tool in that hole, and that's where the reset is. One caution that I would have, do not press this button while you're doing it. If you do, it'll reset your Nest Hello back to factory defaults, and then you'll have to go through and reset it up. So let's try it out. So we'll insert the tool, and it takes about 10 seconds. You'll see the green light go off. Hopefully you can see that, and the ring around the button. So we've restarted it. So now we can stick the Nest Hello back in its base, and it'll restart, and you'll be good to go. So the other methods would be going over and pulling a wire off the transformer, or if you happen to know where the breaker is at that controls the transformer, then you could just flip the transformer off and then turn it back on. You want to wait about 20 seconds though before you do that. There are capacitors in the Nest Hello, and those need to power down. And it takes about 20 seconds, a little less, but 20 seconds is a good number to use. So the other method would be to pull a wire off of your transformer, and it doesn't matter which wire you pull off. You just want to pull one. See how I pulled the wire and it's still powered up? You want to wait 20 seconds and then put the wire back on. And then it also takes about roughly 20 seconds for it to start back up. So those are the three easiest methods. There's another one. We could pull the cover off the doorbell and take one of the wires off. I'll just show you real quickly. We could take one of these wires off, and that would also do it if you still have your chime hooked up. Anyways, those are the methods to restarting your Nest Hello. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.